Dito sa nangyari ngayon sa Senate, change of leadership, merong mga speculation na lalakas ngayon yung, well, supposedly may plano na magbobotohan sila na wag na mag-convene yung Senate. As an impeachment court, because we are expecting na mai-impeach si Vice President Sara Duterte today, or maybe later tonight, or maybe madaling araw. Anyway,
Malapit na, Ami. Nasa letter T na
ang
sila.
Senate
Ang
not to
pagkapasok
try.
at jurisprudence says wala akong option yung Senado. It is a clear mandatory duty. Shall ang nakalagay. Shall proceed forthwith, agad-agad sa Tagalog. That's the official translation. So I hope yung Senado hindi na naman mag-repeat performance nung nangyari nung nakaraang taon, no? Na ididribble na naman ito. So, because impeachment is a very important accountability mechanism, ang tataas ng posisyon ng mga subjected to impeachment at mabibigat yung mga grounds for impeachment. So we are not making any prejudgment, and we hope the senators, or at least the majority of them, will not make prejudgment. They shed a lot of their political biases and affiliations as their own rules dictate. And at the same time, support the desire of everyone, 9 out of 10 Filipinos, to know the truth. And that truth can only be determined in an orderly fashion, hearing both sides in an impeachment proceeding. Kung harangin na naman nila, ididribble naman nila, nakakaawa naman ang katotohanan, nakakaawa naman ang ating republika. So we hope they won't do that, but of course they are the majority. They might, but who is majority and who is Senate President can change anytime. That's the characteristic of the Senate. That's part of the democratic process.